Apple Watch Ultra 3, the big leap forward. Apple is stepping up in a major way this year, and one of its most exciting new releases isn't a phone or a laptop, it's the Apple Watch Ultra 3. This isn't just another smartwatch update. Apple is reimagining what a wearable can do, especially for people who live active, adventurous, or health-conscious lifestyles. After a couple of years without a big refresh, the Ultra lineup is finally getting a serious overhaul. And it's not just surface-level improvements, we're talking major enhancements across health tracking, design, performance, and safety features. Smarter health, deeper insights. The Ultra 3 is expected to push health tracking to new heights. Instead of just counting your steps or checking your heart rate, it could monitor patterns in your body to detect signs of high blood pressure without using a traditional cuff. That means it might be able to catch problems early, just by observing changes in your health data over time. This kind of proactive tracking builds on Apple's existing features like ECG, blood oxygen, and heart rhythm alerts. It's designed to quietly monitor your well-being in the background and let you know when something's off, giving you time to take action before things escalate. A display that's brighter, smarter, and built for the outdoors screen is getting a serious boost thanks to new old technology. Not only will it be sharper and more responsive, but it'll also be easier to read in direct sunlight and from different angles. Whether you're hiking, running, or glancing down mid-meeting, the display is built to perform. It's also expected to be more energy efficient, which is great news for people who rely on the always-on display. You get smooth visuals and constant updates without draining the battery. Design tweaks that make a real difference. Apple is doubling down on durability. The Ultra 3 is said to include a new metal backplate, not just for looks, but for performance. This small design change could actually boost signal strength and speed up charging. In fact, reports suggest it might hit 80% battery in just 30 minutes. That's a lifesaver when you're in a rush or prepping for a long adventure. Powerful new chip, smarter performance. Inside, the Ultra 3 is expected to feature the all-new S11 chip. This is the engine that powers everything from smoother animations and quicker Siri responses to faster health data processing and improved battery efficiency. It's more than just a speed bump, it's what makes the whole experience feel next-gen. The chip's extra efficiency might even free up space for more sensors or a bigger battery, unlocking even more features in the future. Stay connected even off the grid. One of the most talked about additions is satellite messaging. Originally introduced on the iPhone, Apple is bringing this life-saving feature to the wrist. Imagine being out in the wilderness with no cell signal but still being able to message emergency services or let your loved ones know you're okay. And with rumored support for two-way communication, it's not just about calling for help, it's about getting a reply to. Battery built for real life. Long battery life has always been a top request, and Apple is delivering. Thanks to the efficient chip and new display tech, the Ultra 3 is expected to go for days without needing a charge, even while using GPS or the always-on screen. And with faster charging, you can top up and get back out there without skipping a beat. Built to handle anything, this watch is made for action. With a titanium or aerospace-grade frame, it's tough enough for extreme weather, rugged terrain, and demanding environments. It's built to military-grade standards, so whether you're snowboarding, hiking, or just navigating your daily grind, it can take the hit and keep going. Smarter software to match the hardware. The Ultra 3 will launch with the latest watchOS, packed with new features for outdoor enthusiasts and health-focused users. Expect better offline maps, enhanced compass tools, and new workouts designed for high-performance activities like climbing and swimming. On top of that, Apple's digging deeper into wellness, with smarter tracking for stress, recovery, and sleep. Final thoughts: the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is more than just a smartwatch, it's a complete upgrade in how we think about wearables. It's tough, smart, health-conscious, and built to keep you safe and connected no matter where life takes you. If you've been waiting for the right time to upgrade or want a watch that can keep up with your lifestyle, this might be the one to beat.